In less than a week, 4 militia members will stand trial in the alleged plot to kidnap Governor Gretchen Whitmer. It's been called the biggest domestic terrorism case in the U.S. in a generation.
Recently filed documents show the U.S. attorney believes militia members are planning to attend the trial at the federal courthouse in Grand Rapids to learn the identities of undercover FBI agents who worked the case.
Target 8 investigator Ken Kolker has covered this case since it broke, and he's here now with those details. Ken.
Yeah, Brian and Sue, the U.S. Attorney's Office has asked the judge to allow the 2 undercover FBI agents to testify using fake names, fearing for their safety. Nearly a year and a half after federal conspiracy charges were filed, the case is finally going to trial, with jury selection beginning Tuesday. But before that, federal prosecutors are asking a judge to allow the undercover agents to use pseudonyms in court. The agent known as Red was introduced to the group as a bomb maker and was with them, the feds say, as they conducted surveillance on the governor's Elk Rapids cottage. They say he also helped scout out a spot to plant a bomb on a nearby bridge. The other undercover agent, known as Mark, joined the group posing as a militia enthusiast from the UP and also as part of the Elk Rapids surveillance. The feds say they believe supporters of suspect Barry Croft Jr. will attend the trial and disseminate the agents' real names, jeopardizing their safety and undermining other investigations. The feds claim that associates of Croft have offered a cash bounty for the identity of informants and have publicly called for violent retaliation against the FBI. Defense attorneys, though, argue that allowing them to testify using fake names would suggest to jurors that the defendants are so dangerous that even FBI agents are afraid of them. Adam Fox, Barry Croft Jr., Daniel Harris, and Brandon Caserta are charged in the conspiracy that was broken up in October 2020. 2 others have already pleaded guilty. The feds say they plan to kidnap Whitmer, angry over her response to COVID-19, and either put her on trial or leave her stranded in a boat in Lake Michigan. Tonight at 7, one of the FBI informants who played a key role in the investigation is accused of double-crossing the feds. Our Target 8 investigation, the informant explains why the feds are trying so hard to keep him from testifying.